So I have this copy of Pokemon Yellow that I acquired recently, and it needed a new battery because it wasn't saving. But after changing the battery, something odd is going on where it still randomly deletes its save file. So something else is wrong with this cartridge. So I'm going to try to refoot some of the chips on it, because honestly, doing this has like a 30% success rate for me, just refooting chips. That's a high enough rate for me to try it when I can't see anything wrong with this cartridge. I'm just going to try these two first since they're the closest to the battery, and I'm assuming maybe they have something to do with the save state of this game. But the cartridge otherwise seems like it should be fine. I can't see any damage, so I don't know why with a new battery it's still randomly deleting the save file. So that's the adventure today. Can we fix this old Pokemon Yellow? This is broken, which probably means it's been rattling around in there, so something on this cartridge probably got damaged or loosened up. That's why I'm thinking refooting this might reattach whatever got jumbled from that damage to the cartridge. So let's go ahead and give this a test. Yeah. All right. Okay. We've made it worse. I'm not sure how we've made it worse. Let's try to refoot this other chip. Clearly, what I'm discovering is there's all sorts of stuff wrong with this cartridge that I wasn't really aware of, aside from the battery. Now, it's possible that there's a crack in the cartridge that I cannot see, hiding under these chips or some corrosion. But to see that would require a heat gun to remove the chips, which I don't have, so let's see if this helps. Nope, I've made it even worse now. Well, might as well just go through the other chips and do the same thing and see if it keeps making it worse. Now, there's no reason that refooting these chips should make this worse. I don't really think the fact that it's getting worse is at all related to me doing that. It's just kind of what's happening. Anyway, let's put it back together and see. All right, that looks better. Let's see where this goes. I think this is the first time I've seen a Nintendo boot loop. Well, that's neat. All right, microscope. I'm gonna make sure I'm not missing some sort of obvious crack in this cartridge. And I can't see anything. But I did some testing on the electricity here, and it seems like these capacitors, these tiny little things, are bad. I don't know if it's the same capacitor as in these Game Boy Pockets. They're about the same size. So I'm going to take this one out of this broken Game Boy Pocket, this little thing here, and attach it to the cartridge and see if that works. I have no idea if this is the right voltage or whatever. It looks like the same size, and there wasn't a proper energy flow. So we're going to do some microscopic surgery to put in this new one and hope for the best, I guess. I don't know if this is the right thing for it. I mean, we got continuity. That's better than it was before, but now the Game Boy doesn't turn on? I think I created a bomb. Let me test another game. Yeah, so now I've created a cartridge that nukes your Game Boy. So we're just gonna take that right back off of the cartridge. And of course now the game just turns on, because why wouldn't it? I don't know the world anymore. There's no way it's gonna keep working, is there? No, there's not. There we go. Okay, so the cartridge is probably worse off than when I got it, but I think at least I know the problem. But honestly, I have no idea where to get one of those capacitors, so for now, we're gonna lay this little guy to rest until I could find a replacement part for it. That was an ordeal.